Hello, our friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Freddy Fazbear from Friday Nights at Freddy's. All right, so this guy's taking up the whole paper. So I'm going to start with my pencil, kind of lay him out so I don't get confused. I know I'm doing it very lightly, huh? That's kind of what we do at first. All right, I think I'm ready. Okay, so to start with, we're gonna make his little top hat. We're gonna go across the straight line, come up on both sides, then we're gonna come across, and we're gonna come up kind of diagonally, and then we're gonna come across, and there is his hat. Okay, then we're gonna draw a couple lines, curved lines coming down, two lines coming out. Then we're gonna draw the ears with a big circle with kind of a flat line in the middle and a pointy line at the end. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Great big circle, flat line, pointy line, just like that. And then in between his ears, we're gonna do some eyebrows with some curvy lines. Then we're gonna do an oval for his nose. And then behind that oval, we're gonna have one eye with another little part of an eye in the middle. And then on the other side, we're gonna do another circle that kind of hooks onto him. Another little circle. Then we're gonna have a line coming down. We're gonna have a letter C right here and another letter C here, but it's backwards. And then we're gonna have a line coming around and up, around and up. There's the top. Now we're gonna draw his bottom jaw. So it's gonna come down, around, back up. Then we're gonna draw another line right here, which is the inside of his jaw. And then he's got some little square teeth. Rawr, I'm a bear. Just like that. And then this is really dark in here because it's the inside of a bear's mouth. Ooh, there we go. All right, then underneath his chin, he's got a little square that starts his bow tie. Then we're gonna draw a little kind of J that's gonna come back up. And another little J that's gonna come back up. And then we've got his bear belly. It's kind of flat on the bottom and curved. Okay, what's Freddy holding? I can't tell. Something. All right, then we've got a little curved line here that comes down and looks like a piece of pie. Then we've got another curved line that kind of goes behind that, comes down with another curve, comes out with another curve, and then his hands are kind of tricky. So we're gonna start with like a letter J, and then that's gonna come down, and then we're gonna draw another letter J, like that. And then that's just gonna come in here, something like that. Okay, so then his arm comes around like so, because it's what's called foreshortened. And then we see the inside of it right here. So it's like coming at you. Okay, so the other arm is a little bit easier. So we're gonna start with a C that comes around like, it looks like a letter G. And we're gonna make another little curve, another little curve, And then he's got this thing here he's holding. Is it a microphone? I'm not sure what it is. Comes up here. Yeah, I don't know. You guys that follow this probably know. And then there's a little line behind that for his thumb. Then we've got another, this is kind of a foreshortened line. It's just gonna come back and around, and that's his forearm. And then we've got another line that comes back and around, and that's his shoulder. Okay, so then this line right here is part of his belly. This is the brown part, and it's just gonna meet up with this. And then we've got just a little bit of brown over here. All right, then we've got his trunk. It's just gonna come down like a V, come back up like so. Then for his little Freddy legs, they're gonna come down for the thigh and come around. Then we've got this little part here for the knee. And we've got a big calf at the bottom. And we've got two lines coming around, coming around, coming around. And then they're gonna come up like this, and that's like the top of his little bare toes. And then we've got like a little line around that. And then this will be dark up here and kind of more lighter right here. All right, we're almost there. Let's do the other leg. So the other leg is gonna come down. All right, and then it's gonna come back around like that. We've got a little kneecap here. And we've got the great big calf. Like that. Then the back of the bare foot. And it's gonna kind of curve around like that. One more curve, 3 curves, and it's gonna come up and back into here. And this comes up, back, back. And then we've got the little, I don't know, what is that? The sole of his bear paw? I don't know. Okay, you know what? I don't like this part right here. I'm gonna make this a little thicker. I think that's gonna look better. Yeah, like that. And then I'll hide that with color. All right, here we go. And he is standing somewhere ready to party. We just have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I think we're done. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.